This is my ePortfolio. I started it off first with About Me. So I look. And then I would take my family literacy backpack. I linked. I put some of the pictures and then my reflection paper. Oh my god. My reflection papers into it. I did my book trailer. I inserted the book trailer. The reader's response. I have my link to it, so you click it and it goes straight to the book, to the link. If we click on the reader response blog link, it should take you to my reader response blog. And then I also have the author study, which I included the reflection paper to it. The family literacy conference I also have. And the self-selected library in my ePortfolio. The assignment that best represents me as a teacher has to be the family literacy backpack. Why? Because I felt like this assignment taught me so much of how to be a teacher and what it takes to be one. It gave me a taste of what's it like finding, teaching, and understanding that not all children learn the same or think the same way. And this assignment really showed me that. The assignment that I'm most proud of has to be the Family Literacy Conference and the book trailer. The Family Literacy Conference, the reason why I'm proud of that one is it really but engaged me with the parents, teachers, and with the students. And it was also cool to meet authors that I would have never thought I would have met that day. And working with everyone that helped out with the event and the book trailer. It's a really cool tool I thought that I could use in my future classrooms to make learning more fun and engaging. One of the most challenging assignments was the reading response blogs. Why? They were not hard to do. It was just having the right time to sit down and actually writing them. After I read was kind of the difficult part I used to have. Trying to get them done right after I read them, because it took me a long time to actually finish them. And then my hopes and wishes is to be able to one day use all the information I learned in your classroom into my future classroom, and to be able to introduce books to the children in different ways to engage them in wanting to learn and to read.